In this video, I'll be showing how to share your project using GitHub. First, click VCS, then click Import into Version Control, then click Create Git Repository. Once the file manager shows up, select the FTC app master folder, then click OK. Once you've done that, click VCS, then Import into Version Control, then Share Project on GitHub. Log into GitHub. You can change the repository name and add a description. Then, once the file menu pops up again, make sure everything is selected and click Add. This makes sure all files will be uploaded to GitHub. Next, go to GitHub, click Your Repositories, and check out the new repository. For some reason, this time, the initial commit failed, so there's no code here. So let's go back to GitHub, click VCS, and click Commit. You can type in your message, then click Commit and Push. Commit means to set these changes aside, and push means to push these changes to the online website. So if you want to space out your work without pushing your changes to the online website, you can commit once you've done something major. Next, sign in again. Go back to GitHub and reload the page. You should see all your code right now. Scroll back up, click Settings, then go to Collaborators. Type in the username of your collaborators. Click Add Collaborator. Now let's go to our collaborators viewpoint. Accept the invitation once you get it through email. Then go to Android Studio. Next, click File, New, Project from Version Control, Git. Log into GitHub. Then select the repository and click Clone. Now multiple members of your team should have GitHub and should have all the code. To share your code, just click Commit and Push. That's all for this video. The next video, we'll be going more into the details of the SDK.